Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken nuggets and fries. First, gather your ingredients, including about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast and 2 large russet potatoes. Next, cut the chicken into uniform 1-inch pieces. Then, set up your breading station with 3 shallow dishes, 1 for seasoned flour, 1 for beaten eggs, and 1 for panko breadcrumbs. This organized approach ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process for delicious results. Now, let's bread and fry those nuggets. Take each chicken piece and dredge it first in the seasoned flour, then dip it in the egg wash, and finally coat it generously with panko breadcrumbs. Ensure full coverage for a crispy exterior. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place nuggets in the hot oil, frying them in small batches for about 3 minutes per side until they are a beautiful golden brown. While your nuggets are resting, let's prepare the fries. Wash and peel 2 large russet potatoes, then cut them into uniform 1/4-inch thick sticks. Soaking these potato sticks in cold water for at least 30 minutes helps remove excess starch, leading to crispier fries. After soaking, pat them completely dry. Next, blanch the fries in oil heated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes, then remove them to cool. For the ultimate crispy fries, reheat your oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the blanched potatoes in batches for another 2 minutes, or until they are perfectly golden and wonderfully crispy. Drain them on a wire rack and season immediately with salt. Serve your homemade chicken nuggets and crispy fries hot with ketchup, barbecue sauce, or honey mustard. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.